your safety, please keep the center aisle and both side aisles clear. If you need to leave the theater for any reason during our show, please exit through these double doors at the back right of our theater. Just push them open to go through. Welcome to Turtle Talk. My name is Chapel, and before we get started, I have just a few reminders. Here at Seabase, there is no eating, no drinking, no smoking or vaping, and no flash photography. Thanks, guys. This piece of equipment right here is called a hydrophone, and it lets us hear sounds from beneath the sea. And today it's going to let us hear our very special guest. Does anybody know who that is? Shout it out. Crush. That's right. Crush is coming to visit the human world, and we can ask him questions about the turtle world. So be thinking about questions you might want to ask Crush. Crush is out surfing right now, but we can call him in by saying, "Hey, Crush," on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Hey, Crush!
Hey, Crush, shout it! Now check out that most excellent double spinning inside. Was awesome. What are the humans in the human tank? Hey, how you dudes doing in there today? Good. Awesome. Got some big dudes on the benches. Hey, big dudes, give me some fit. Excellent. Got some little dudes down. So level. Hey, little dudes. Hey, little dudes. Focus, dudes. Hey, Chapel, want to say hi to some of these dudes? Let me start out here on this side. Let's go front inside corner. Do that like colored shell big ears right here. What's your name, dude?
My name is Georgia.
Georgia, how are you doing today?
Good, how about you?
Dude, most excellent, dude. Georgia, do you know how to talk like a sea turtle?
No.
Well, can you say sweet? Can you say dude? Put them together, say sweet, dude.
Sweet dude.
Dude, you're totally talking like a turtle. It is so totally wrong. Okay, human dudes. Anytime a sea turtle says you so totally rock, you're supposed to reply, dude. So let's try it. You so totally rock. Dude. There you go, dudes. Now you're all talking like turtles. Let's rock another one. Let's go to the other side of center. How about second one on this side? Dude, short sleeve, black shell, swim goggles right here in the front row. What's your name, dude?
Okay.
Oakley, sweet. How are you doing, Oakley?
Good.
Awesome. Dude, where are you from? Like, where do you live?
Tennessee, when I lived with Dory.
I don't need the Tennessee part. I don't need any more details than that. I don't even know where Tennessee is. Well, I'm glad you're here. Dude, who brought you here on this fine day? Did your parents bring you here?
You know.
Did your parents bring you here, dude? Dude? Okay, where's Mama and Papa? Okay, raise your hands, kids. Where's there they are. The bench is taking a huge vacay over here. What's your name, Papa, dude? And Mama, what's yours?
Chelsea.
Chelsea and Mark. Excellent to have you dudes here. You enjoying yourselves too?
Yeah.
Sweet. Is Oakley the only offspring, or how many do you have?
2.
Oh, I got 65, that's fine. You must be going for quality, not quantity. Do the offspring ask you lots of questions?
All the time.
Sweet, yeah, then we could totally share a proud parental moment, dude. Because of my son Squirt, he asks me lots of questions, too. In fact, just the other day, he's wondering about you human dudes, so we're to soak up some human knowledge that I can bring back to my young offspring. Can you dudes help me figure out what Squirt was wondering about? Say, Shaw. Sweet dudes, you so totally rock. Yeah. Squirt was wondering what you human dudes like to do when you are at the beach. So shout it out, dudes. What do you do at the beach?
Football.
We got builders, throwers, swimmers. Who are my swimmers? Raise a fin if you're a swimmer. Oh, you don't apparently forget how to swim. Okay. Who are my fast swimmers who like to go fast? Yeah, I love to go fast. Dudes want to see, say chaw.
Chaw.
Sweet dudes, let me get my motor running. You can help me out, dudes. Say rip it.
Rip it.
Roll it.
Roll it.
Punch it.
Punch it.
Got it down, dudes. And think about it. I'm swimming around Tennessee, dudes. 20, 25.
Hey, Crush, watch out for the glass.
Yeah, thanks for the heads up there, Hanky. Not even know he was there. You know what, dudes? I'm gonna open the ocean floor to you dudes. Any questions for the crowd?
I love you
You
too.
know anything you dudes want to know about sea turtles? Just raise a hand, kids, who has a question for me. Big dudes, little dudes, any questions? Let's start back in the benches over here. Got a dude go bench back, little y'all. What's your name, kid?
Tyler.
Tyler, what's your question? Tyler.
How hard is your shell?
Who can withstand the bite of a good sized shark? Not that I like to practice that, but it will. It comes with washboard abs, though. That part's kind of cool. Check it out. Let's do another one. More fins? Who else has a question? Other fins out there? Let's go. She's fighting out with Mom.
I know what she wants to ask. It's so bad.
Well, why don't you ask it for her instead? What's your name, lady?
Christina,
Christina, what is she afraid to ask?
you want to ask it?
Favorite all pearls thing. That's the only one we have. Yeah, totally. We celebrate making another year every year, dude. Totally. What's your favorite holiday? What is Christmas? We're not going to force a clam, dude. You can totally hurt a clam.
Oh,
Jillian, dude, you alright?
Oh, Crush. I'm trying to get away from a turtle pile.
Fine, dude, they're awesome. Human dudes want to see a turtle pile? Shout it out to turtle pile!
Please, I was going to
There's the turtle pile.
so much.
Hey, little dudes, go catch the AC. I'll join up with you in just a few minutes, dudes. Rock on!
Thanks a lot, Crush.
For what?
The turtle pile?
Dude. Yeah, that's awesome. Alright, more pins? Anybody else have a question? Let's go do that over here on the floor. Second one from center. With the big what's your name? You got? What is your question, Bella?
Do you have a clothes?
Nope. We don't wear anything. It's what you see is what you get. Shell's part of the body, doesn't come off. Backbone and ribs are fused to the inside, so we got the same shell the whole life. Another one. More fins. Let's see who else has a question. I'll go back to the benches on this side. Do you have big ears back there, swim goggles? What's your name, lady?
Jessica,
What is your question, Jessica?
where do turtles sleep?
Depends. Well, pretty much anywhere. I go up to the surface, take a deep breath of air, nestle up against a rock somewhere, sleep for like 7 hours or so. But if the water's too deep, we'll just float to the surface. Nothing special about it.
You may catch me. Hey, come back here.
Oh, is it something? It sounded like it was a Fantastic.
Ooh, hello there. Hi, humans.
Hey, Docs, Miss Doxlin, you could join us on this fine day. You think you could teach the human dudes to speak well?
Destiny could teach them. She taught me.
Jaw.
Oh, she were here. Hi,
I am here. Wow! Well, that's freaky. Okay, everybody, repeat after me. Hello, whale.
For all human dudes, do it. Excellent job, dude.
Yeah. Again, louder.
Okay.
That was really amazing, everybody. I even heard some orca accents. That's super advanced.
That's really
Whoa! Call the real whale.
real whale.
Call the real whale.
Big boo, big boo,
Dory, are you alright?
Tell the whale to go away. Destiny, how do you tell a whale to go away?
Go away, whale.
All human dudes, your turn. You so totally rock. Totally, me man, but I wanted to let you know the human dudes are answering your questions for me, dude. Totally. Curl away, my son. I'll be with you in just a second, mini man. Right, human dudes, like familiar calls and time for me to cruise, dudes. But before I go, I'm gonna leave you dudes with something, okay? We all share the same oceans. Be good to them, they'll totally be good to you. And little dudes, do me a favor, okay? Use the word dude the rest of the day. Your parents will love it, dude. Please get the chapel, help me out. I'll see you dudes later. Bye, dudes. Rock on!
Give it up for Crush, everybody. If you want to see more of Crush's friends like sharks, stingrays, and manatees, head upstairs to our undersea viewing location. Kids, please stay seated until an adult comes to get you. Everyone else, gather up your personal belongings.